Your television is not broken, so stop spending money you do not have to spend. Before scrolling through sale pages for a replacement, give me 4 minutes of your time. That is genuinely all this takes, as 4 minutes of effort will make your setup appear and function better than it has in years. You need no new hardware and no technician, just 8 steps that rarely get tried to completely change your living room. Some of these cost absolutely nothing, and the ones requiring a purchase cost only $5 to $10 instead of $500. Most people accept a dull, slow, and messy viewing experience while assuming the panel is failing, though that is rarely the case. The problem involves your daily habits or maintenance you stopped doing months ago without realizing. So grab a cloth and pay attention, because the process starts right now with noticeable results. Start with the item already in your hand, and put down any paper towel you plan to wipe your television with. Paper towels feel soft to your fingers, but under a microscope, those fibers are rough and jagged enough to drag micro scratches across the anti-glare coating on your screen. Doing that once a week for a year makes your picture display cloudy, flat, and worn out. This happens because you have been slowly grinding away the surface without knowing it, rather than the panel dying. The fix is simply a clean microfiber cloth. Wipe gently from side to side with no pressure at all, as you are not scrubbing grease off a stovetop. A light touch and a single pass lifts the dust off in under 30 seconds for free. Next, look at what you reach for when fingerprints show up, and stop using window cleaner or glass spray. Those products exist for actual glass surfaces, and your television screen is not glass. Every modern panel carries a delicate, soft coating on the surface that window cleaners dissolve. The damage is permanent, meaning your visual quality drops and stays dropped with no way to fix it afterward. Distilled water on a microfiber cloth is the correct answer. Spray it on the cloth, never directly on the screen, and wipe gently. For tough and sticky smudges, a solution of 1 part mild dish soap to 100 parts distilled water works without any risk. That ratio matters greatly, requiring just a trace of soap rather than a full squeeze for a safe, cheap, and effective cleaning. The third change requires you to go into your television picture settings. Find the setting called Motion Smoothing, which Samsung labels Auto Motion Plus, Sony calls Motion Flow, and LG uses True Motion. Whatever name your manufacturer uses, turn it off entirely. Motion smoothing was built specifically to reduce blur during fast-paced live news broadcasts. When this setting runs on top of scripted television series and premium documentaries, it renders everything artificially smooth and weirdly fast, resembling a daytime soap opera filmed on an old camcorder. Showrunners and cinematographers have been publicly furious about this setting for years. This picture looks artificial because it is being processed in a way nobody intended. Turn it off, and your premium shows will display the darker, richer, and cinematic way the creators actually wanted them to. The television was never the problem, only the setting. Moving on to something that takes 3 minutes, your remote gets grabbed dozens of times a day. Every single person in your house touches it constantly, yet people rarely clean it. The buttons become sticky and sluggish, the gaps between them fill with grime, and the whole experience of operating your television starts to feel unpleasant without you pinpointing why. A cotton swab with a tiny amount of rubbing alcohol fixes this immediately. Run it around every button and through every gap to remove the accumulated dirt. 3 minutes of work makes the remote click cleanly again, respond with no hesitation, and stop sticking to your fingers, creating a noticeable difference in daily use. Another quick fix costs around $5 to organize the cables behind your television stand. A mess of tangled cords creates an area that feels old and chaotic, and it catches dust faster than almost anything else in the room. Velcro cable straps, simple zip ties, or twist ties from your kitchen drawer will bundle everything together neatly and route it out of sight. Your living room feels noticeably newer when the space around the screen is clean. The hardware remains the same while the presentation improves, which matters more than most people admit. These next 2 steps work together to solve the sluggishness that convinces most smart television owners their set is failing. Apps take a long time to load, menus lag, and streaming buffers even on a fast connection. Your smart television runs background processes and stores temporary data exactly the way a phone or laptop does, which means over months and years, that buildup slows everything down. First, update your software by going into the system settings and looking for the update option. Manufacturers push out fixes and performance improvements regularly, and millions of users never run them. An updated panel operates faster, menus respond quicker, and apps behave correctly. Run the update and restart the device through the menu when it finishes. Building directly on that step, you need to pull the plug and disconnect the television from the wall after restarting. Avoid using standby mode or the power button on the remote, and pull the actual cord from the outlet to wait 1 full minute before plugging it back in. That 60-second wait clears the temporary memory cache and forces a true cold restart. If apps crash, menus freeze, or remote input lags, unplugging the set for 60 seconds fixes the issue consistently. The hardware was not failing, but merely needed a hard reset. Finally, adding bias lighting is an upgrade people always want to show their friends immediately after trying it. Pick up an adhesive-backed LED strip built specifically for televisions, run it along the back edges of the set, plug it in, and turn it on. The harsh contrast between a bright screen and a completely dark room strains your eyes over long viewing sessions. The soft backlight behind the television reduces that contrast and renders watching far more comfortable. Additionally, colors on screen emerge more vivid and accurate when the wall behind the unit glows. Your visual system reads contrast differently with ambient light present, making the image display richer, warmer, and more alive. A decent LED strip costs about $10. Now, step back and examine the setup, as your screen is scratch-free and cleaned properly. The remote responds instantly. Your television loads apps quickly because the software is current, and the backlight makes every color stand out. Nothing on this list required buying new hardware or needing a technician. Your television was not old and was never failing, as it merely needed routine maintenance. These 8 simple upgrades cost almost no money and create a setup that operates better than the day it came out of the box. Completing all of these steps will improve your daily viewing experience.